I used to stumble out of bed at noon, leave dishes in the sink for days. Too scared to even check my phone, kept ghosting all the plans I made. Watched all my little chances crash and burn in slow motion. Blame the weather, blame my past, never owned the broken. Yeah, I dropped the ball, I lost the plot. Rock bottom had me in a parking lot, talking to my steering wheel like, man, you're done. But I still gotta do homework, still gotta do laundry, still gotta make peace with the mirror in front of me. If getting up again is all I've got, then getting up again is dope enough for me. I started small, just made my bed, folded every wrinkled shirt, sent that overdue apology, hands shaking, stomach hurt. Put a playlist on and scrubbed the floor, took the trash down, locked the door. Tiny winds like quiet sparks, lighting up the dark. Yeah, dropped the ball, I lost the plot. Rock bottom had me in a parking lot, talking to my steering wheel like, man, you're done. But I still gotta do homework, still gotta do laundry, still gotta make peace with the mirror in front of me. If getting up again is all I've got, then getting up again is dope enough for me. Yeah, yeah. Maybe I still crash and burn someday, but I don't stay there, I don't stay. I pick the pieces off the floor, do one small thing, then one thing more. Yeah, I dropped the ball, but I won't stop. Rock bottom's just a start, not the end of the shot. Talking to my own heart like, kid, you're not done. You still gotta do homework, still gotta do laundry, still gotta write a life that's honest when you read it. If getting up again is all you see,